The Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 does not have built-in NFC. Is it possible to install NFC myself if it doesn't exist? Of course. The short answer is yes. It is often possible to install NFC functionality yourself, but the how and how well depend entirely on what device you're trying to add it to. Your phone does not have an NFC chip. This is where true installation comes in. There are two main DIY approaches. NFC SD card. How it works. You replace your phone's existing micro SD card with a special one that has an NFC antenna built into the card's frame. Pros. Relatively easy to install. Can add storage. Cons. Limited power. These are often passive and don't have much power, making them unreliable for payments, but okay for reading writing simple tags. Software dependent. Requires specific, sometimes clunky apps to function. Not universal. Won't work for Google Pay/Apple Pay. The second method, NFC sticker/shell case. How it works. You stick a very thin NFC antenna to the inside of your phone's back cover or battery, if removable, and connect it to the phone's circuitry via the micro USB or USB-C port using a special adapter. Pros. More integrated solution than an SD card. Cons. Highly technical. Requires you to carefully open your phone, which can void the warranty and risk damage. Complexity. You need to find a compatible kit for your exact phone model. Rarely practical. This is a fringe hobbyist solution and not recommended for most users. Verdict for smartphones. If your phone doesn't have built-in NFC, the NFC SD card is your only realistic DIY option, and even then, its functionality will be very limited. For full NFC features like contactless payments, your best bet is to upgrade to a phone that has it built in.